Hi guys, this is Mrs. Raza, and today I'm going to be teaching you a song called One Bottle of Pop. Now this is actually a chorus warm-up that we do often with the 4th and 5th graders. It's probably one of their favorites, and it's a really simple song to learn. There are 3 different parts to this song, and they can be sung separately. They can be sung together as a round, so going from 1 to 2 to 3, and then each group staggering when they come in. Or you can sing them like partner songs and just sing each of the 3 parts at exactly the same time with 3 different groups. Now, the 4th and 5th graders out there, you can skip ahead a little bit because you already know the song. The first verse is all about pop. Now, you might be thinking, what's pop? Well, in some areas of the country, they actually refer to soda as pop, or maybe you've heard someone say soda pop, and that's where that comes from. Now, I really like to drink Pepsi and ginger ale, but my husband's favorite soda is a tie between cream soda and root beer. So I'll be using these bottles a little bit later, and you'll be able to see why. It's pretty silly. While I sing each of the verses, I'm also going to add a body percussion part, and that's going to be a pat, a clap, and a snap. And those 3 beats can get repeated over and over throughout the song, like this. All right, so we already know what pop is. I'll sing the first verse for you all. 1 bottle of pop, 2 bottle of pop, 3 bottle of pop, 4 bottle of pop, 5 bottle of pop, 6 bottle of pop, 7 bottle of pop, pop. Now, the second verse has to do with chucking muck in my backyard. Don't do it. I don't like it. Now, muck is just kind of like trash. Don't chuck your garbage. Don't throw your stuff on my lawn or in my yard. So here's the second verse of the song. Don't chuck your muck in my backyard, my backyard, my backyard. Don't chuck your muck in my backyard's full. Now the last verse is about a very famous dish. This food is called fish and chips. Now the chips aren't the way that we think of like potato chips from a bag, because this is from England, and this food that they refer to chips is like French fries. So fish would be fried fish and chips are French fries. Now they love to have this meal, not with ketchup, but with malt vinegar. So here's verse number 3. Fish and chips and vinegar, vinegar, vinegar. Fish and chips and vinegar, pepper, 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 pop. Now let's hear the whole song in a row, followed by how those 3 partner songs will sound if we sing them all at the same time. I invite you to sing along with me, or if you can't, go ahead and do the pat, clap, snap to follow along with the beat. Oh, and I forgot to mention one more thing. I'm also going to add a silly accompaniment part on the soda bottles. Now I put some water in one of them and I left the other empty, and this is going to give me a bass line that I can add to the song. So we have a do and a so. Let's listen to the 2 parts. This is like low so, do, so, and the bass line will be do, do, so, do, 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 so, do. And that could be added as well throughout the song as I sing the parts. 1 bottle of pop, 2 bottle of pop, 3 bottle of pop, 4 bottle of pop, 5 bottle of pop, 6 bottle of pop, 7 bottle of pop, pop. Don't chuck your muck in my backyard, my backyard, my backyard. Don't chuck your muck in my backyard's full. Fish and chips and vinegar, vinegar, vinegar. Fish and chips and vinegar, pepper, 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 pop. Don't chuck your muck in my backyard, my backyard, my backyard. Fish your muck in my backyard.